Hey guys, I'm getting ready to post this announcement for more extra credit, but I wanted to explain it a little bit so that you know what it was. We're looking to collect data from all of our MAT 120 classes here at GCC. So we've created this course level assessment. We call it a CLA quiz. It's just kind of like a post test over information you're supposed to know. One of the questions is from a previous course on slope, and then all the other questions are things that we've covered already in this class. We're trying to collect data to make sure that we're covering the material we're supposed to and that you're learning the material like you're supposed to. It should take you about 15 to 20 minutes, and it is, like I said, over information that you should already know. So hopefully as you're studying for your midterm, you can take a few minutes to take this quiz for me. I know I keep calling it a quiz, but it will not affect your grade. This is not a graded quiz. It won't hurt your grade. It will only help your grade. There are 6 questions. If you can take this quiz for me before October 23rd, that's the same day that your midterm is due, for every question that you get correct on this quiz, I'll give you extra credit on your midterm. So it won't hurt your grade, it will only help your grade. Now, I obviously want you to do the best you can, so please take your time, go through the 6 questions, do the best you can so that you can show me what you got and earn that extra credit, okay? So if you look at the announcement, you'll be able to click on this link to get to that quiz. Make sure that you enter your 4-digit passcode. That's the one for our class. Our section number is here, 14025. Make sure that you put in your first and your last name so I can find your quiz score later to give you your extra credit. Read the directions, answer the 6 questions, and make sure that you submit it. Okay? All right, good luck. Hope you're studying really hard for your midterm. Take about 15 to 20 minutes to take this quiz, and I will get you some extra credit on your midterm score. Take care.